Hi ladies, this is Jackie with Scarf Art. Welcome to the Scarf Art channel, all things scarves. Scarf tying, scarf coordinating with your outfits, everything scarves. In fact, they call me the Scarf Lady. Used to be offended by the Scarf Lady, but now I embrace it because that's what I do, scarves. Okay, today ladies, we're gonna work with scarves for Memorial Day, red, white, and blue. So I'm going to show you some tricks to use for your red, white, and blue scarves or for your outfits for this upcoming Memorial Day. Some with a rubber band, some without a rubber band. So if you have your scarves, grab your rubber band so that you can do, some of these tricks with me. The first one, this is a square scarf, square red, plain scarf. And what I'm going to do, ladies, is just gather it up like this, and then take it, put it around my neck, right? And I will take the rubber band simply, and as I am putting the rubber band, just like putting a rubber band on a ponytail, is what I'm going to do with this scarf. So I'll take the scarf, put the rubber band around it, tighten it as much as you would like to have it tightened for the most part. And then what you do is just fluff it out. And it looks like, it came this way, or it looked like you tied it, looked like you did something with it, and all you simply did was put a rubber band around a scarf. So you can wear this one in front. I would suggest this with like a tank, with a t-shirt, like what I have on, a sundress, maxi dress. If you have occasions where you're going to some type of an event, a formal event for Memorial Day, you can wear this for that as well. You can wear either blue and then with the red, or you can wear white. You can wear this in front, or you can wear it to the side as well. And this, of course, not only works for Memorial Day. We're doing Memorial Day because it's coming up in less than a week, and we're doing the patriotic colors. So we're doing Memorial Day, but you can do this pretty much for any scarf, of course. But you can also wear it to the side like that as well. Now, the good thing is that with these, with the Scarf Art, this is a 24-inch. You can find these on our website. With the Scarf Art Scarves, you can mix them. You can mix them up, mix them and match them. Red, white, and blue are the colors for Memorial Day, and all of our patriotic holidays, those are our colors. So what you can do is add the blue. So you've got red, white, and blue. So you've got all three colors here. And what I would do, ladies, is take each scarf. These are 24-inch scarves, solid scarves. Take them, put them together, the wrong sides together, just like that. So I've got two scarves. I've got the red and I've got the blue. The red and the blue. So all you do is just take them, come in like that, right? There you go. Well, actually, we're going to do this because the label is there. So we're going to do it on this side. This, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Gather it, and then put it around your neck, both sides together. And actually, you can actually tier this. You can make one side smaller, one side longer. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to tier it, and then I'm going to do it the regular way. So when I say tier is actually making one side shorter than the other side, but leaving enough room for you to still put the rubber band around it. So you put the rubber band here, right, and you put it as tight or as loose as you would like the rubber band to be. If you don't want the scarf too tight on your neck, then make the rubber band a little looser. But if you're okay with the tightness, then you can make it tighter. But you can always, the good thing about the rubber band is you can always unloosen it if it gets to be too tight for you, for the most part. And there you go. You've got your red, you've got your white, and your blue. And that is in a tiered style for the most part. And like I said, not only, with these scarves, but with pretty much any scarves, you can do the same thing as long as they're the same size or a little bigger. And then you can put this to the side like that. And again, you can wear this with a tank, a tee, a dress, a blouse, any of that, for Memorial Day. On Friday, or if you have anything going on over the weekend, a pool party, you got barbecue, if there's a formal event, you're going to some type of a luncheon, or something like that, you can wear this and it'll be real nice. And just wear a white, white dress or white blouse or something to that effect, blue paint, blue slacks and a white top, with this would be really nice as well. But very easy to do. Okay, so that is one style that you can wear with these two scarves. I'm going to show you another way you can do this as well. First, I'll do it with one scarf, and then I'll show you how to do it with both scarves. So this is, we're going to use the navy, and then what you want, excuse me, I was about to sneeze. There we go. Okay, so this is the navy, right? So we will, excuse me, we will fold this up, put both triangles together, both sides together, and then you're going to fold it like this, and you're going to fold it like that, and then we're going to put it around your neck like that, right? And then you're going to use your rubber band, do this and do that, and like I said, make it as loose or as tight as you would like. And then what you do is go inside and open up the scarf like that and like that on both sides, and you get this look for the most part. Here you go there, and like I said, this is just with a t-shirt, and you can see how it really adds a pop to this t-shirt, to this simple white t-shirt. And then you've got on your blue and your white, and you can just add you a little red, which we will do in a minute. But you can wear this one in front like so, or you can wear it to the side like that. And like I said, so that the rubber band doesn't show, you can get you a rubber band that is in the same color family or the same color as the scarf that you're using, and that way you don't worry about the rubber band showing. But since I'm demonstrating, I want you to see exactly what happens with the rubber band, which is why I'm using the red. And then of course you can loosen this up if you want. Loosen it and bring it to the middle, and then still open it up like that. So more like a sailor, you know, sailor or nautical, you know, type look, like that and like that. And I'm doing this for Memorial Day. However, you know, this, you can pretty much do this at any time, you know, with any scarf for work or whatever, you know, the occasion may be, and then just do it like that. And that's a smaller scarf there. Now, if you want to incorporate the red with the blue so that you have red, white, and blue, then what you can do is, again, take this scarf, get your red solid scarf, right? And then put them together here. And then what we're going to do is the exact same thing we did with the single one. The only difference is we're going to fold the red inside the blue. Now make sure they stay straight. That's the whole trick, is to make sure everything stays straight. Okay, put that in a triangle there, here. And you can do this, of course, with your scarves that are the same size. But these scarves, if you particularly want these colors, or you want some solid colors, or you want to add some scarves to your scarves, you can go to our website. But fold it there, and then we're going to fold it again. That's 2 times. And then we're going to fold it a 3rd time, and then we're going to put it around our neck again this way, making sure that both sides are even when you put it around your neck like that here. And then take your rubber band again, and just like a ponytail, always just think of a ponytail, how you put a rubber band on your ponytail or whatever you use on your ponytail. Now with this, you're going to have 2 colors. You can do 1 color, or you can do 2 colors here, right? And all you're doing is just, you're going to spread this out like that and like that, here and here. And you see you have 2 colors, right? Just keep it straight pretty much. You may have to finagle it a little bit, but you'll get it together. There you go. You get the idea here. Now you can also open it here. So, and it's just red. You've got a blue. You've got the blue, and then you've got the red on the inside. You've got a red band, and then the blue is on the inside like that. So you can also do it that way, or you can flip it and just do all blue with a fan-like look there. And just, again, like I said, you just have to finagle it to keep it exactly the way you want it to be. But there you go. So you got red, white, and blue, again, for Memorial Day. Please subscribe, ladies, to our channel, and thank you for joining me today for the Memorial Day looks. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you next time.